All right, hey students, I'm going to make a quick video about electron configuration. All right, so you should have a diagram that looks like this. All right, so these are the levels. You're familiar with the first shell, right? This is the first shell, second shell, third, and fourth. Now, but we follow arrows. Instead of going from inside out, we follow arrows top to bottom, like this, okay? And so on. So if I have an element like, let's say, helium, right? Helium has atomic number 2. That means there's 2 electrons, right? So now I just have 2 electrons. I put them in the right level and sublevel. So S's, it says this on the assignment there. The S sublevel, according to Bohr's theory here, now the S sublevel can hold 2 electrons. Any P sublevel, so the first level has just an S sublevel, the second level has both an S and a P, adding up to 8. The P can hold 6. Any D sublevel can hold 10. All right, so these are called the sublevels. They're parts of the levels. So when we do electron configuration, if I want to do helium, I want to write 1s2. That means there are 2 electrons in the first level, the S sublevel. So that'd be the configuration for helium. Right, 2 electrons. Let's try something like beryllium. Okay, beryllium has a total of 4 electrons. I know that because it's got an atomic number of 4. So where do its electrons go? Well, S's can only hold 2. So the first level is 1s, the first level, S sublevel. That's filled with 2. So if I go to my next arrow from top down, now I need to go 2s and then 2. These little numbers, 2 plus 2, add up to 4. That's the atomic number. That's how many electrons I have. So 1s2, 2s2. That would be the configuration for beryllium. We can pick another atomic number. How about fluorine? So fluorine is atomic number 9. I know that because I put the periodic table. It's got 9 electrons. So I just follow the arrows. It'll tell me what level and sublevel to put the electrons in until I have 9. So here I've got 1s2. That's the first arrow. 2s2. There. S's can only hold 2. I have a total of 9. Now I go to 2p. Now p's can hold up to 6. Okay. So that means that I can put a 6 right there. I'm sorry, not 6. I only have 5 more. So that's going to be 5 right there. Once again, 2 plus 2 plus 5 equals 9. Now the shell structure here, the assignment asks you about shell structure. The shell structure for helium is just going to be 2. There's just 2 in the first shell. For beryllium, it's going to be 2-2. All this says is that there's 2 in the first shell, 2 in the second shell. Now for fluorine, the shell structure, all right, there's 2 in the first shell, and the second shell has 2 plus 7. These are both second level electrons, just different sublevels. So we call that 2-7. So that would be the shell structure. All right, I hope this helps. Just follow the arrows top to bottom until your little numbers add up to the atomic number. Be careful not to go over. Each sublevel has a maximum capacity. S can hold 2, P's can hold 6, and D's can hold 10. All right, you can use your periodic table. I don't expect you to memorize the atomic numbers, but once you know that, that's the number of electrons. You just keep going until that point. All right, I hope this helps. Good luck.